in the thinking routine infer and predict. And so we're going to start with the inference cube. And there's actually two big themes that work with this one. You start with a cube, and in this case you'll see that the cube is marked with names, numbers, and colors. And the task for the kids is to figure out, based on their observations and the patterns that they see, what's written underneath, what color, what numbers, and what names are on there. And so this is a really good one because all ages, all skill levels can take a shot at this. They might need a little bit of help along the way, but the idea is that they're going to infer what's underneath there without ever seeing it. And so that starts to get at the skill of inferring. But there's also another really important theme here, and it has to do with the idea of models. And when the kids are finished this, you'll be able to ask them what's under there. And then you can, it's your choice whether you lift it up or not. Maybe you've put something under there, maybe you haven't. But the idea is that we can say, we're pretty sure we know what that is based on the evidence that we've collected. Now you can extrapolate that and use that in other situations as well. For example, you're talking about atomic structure. Kids invariably ask, well, how do we know there are these little particles in there? Have we ever seen them? And it's not whether we've seen them or not, it's the evidence that we've collected that the only explanation we can give to the atomic structure is that there must be small particles in there. Or if they're a little bit older, there's an atomic structure of protons, neutrons, and electrons. We haven't seen them, but the evidence that we've collected, that we've inferred from that evidence, that we believe that's what the structure is. And that's exactly what this particular activity is doing as well. So fun activity, easy to set up, and get the kids inferring right from the very beginning.